Have you ever wanted to learn a new skill quickly and efficiently? Imagine if you could master not just one skill, but the art of learning itself. This is the essence of meta-learning, a concept brought to life by Tim Ferriss in his book, The 4-Hour Chef. By understanding how we learn, we can streamline the process, accelerate our progress, and improve ourselves across a wide range of disciplines. Mastering meta-learning can be the key to unlocking your potential in any area. Learning a new skill can seem daunting. But what if we could simplify it? Imagine breaking down a complex process into manageable parts. That's the essence of deconstruction, the first step in Tim Ferriss's DISS method. By dissecting a new skill, we can understand its fundamental components, making it less intimidating. Then comes selection. It's about identifying the most critical elements to focus on. Why spend countless hours on minor details when you can concentrate on the core elements that yield the most results? It's about smart learning, not hard learning. Next, we have sequencing. Think of it as the strategic order of learning. It's like arranging puzzle pieces in the right sequence to reveal the bigger picture. Finally, there's stakes. This involves creating consequences for failure. It's the motivational push that keeps us on track, pushing us to progress. With the DISS method, no skill is too complex to conquer. Ever thought of cooking as more than just a culinary skill? In The 4-Hour Chef, Tim Ferriss uses cooking as a metaphor to illustrate principles of accelerated learning, transforming the kitchen into a classroom for mastering any skill. Through the act of cooking, we learn to deconstruct complex dishes into manageable parts, select key ingredients, sequence the process, and set stakes for the final outcome. But this isn't just about whipping up a great meal. Ferriss applies the same principles to practical skills like wilderness survival and emergency medical care. Picture yourself in the wild, deconstructing survival tasks, selecting the most critical ones, sequencing them strategically, and setting stakes for your survival. Learning to cook can be your gateway to mastering any skill. Are you ready to step out of your comfort zone? This is a question that Tim Ferriss poses in his book, The 4-Hour Chef. He entwines the principles of learning with the thrill of personal growth and adventure. Ferriss believes that the pursuit of new experiences isn't just about acquiring new skills, it's about transforming ourselves, expanding our perspectives, and unleashing our potential. He encourages us to challenge ourselves, to push boundaries, and to continuously evolve. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering a culinary technique, or surviving in the wilderness, each adventure is a step toward personal growth. These experiences shape us, change us, and make us better versions of ourselves. So, remember, embracing life and pursuing adventure can be the ultimate path to personal growth.